Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we are going to cook jumbo-prawn thermidor. Let's get started without any delays. We have pre-cleaned the prawns without shelling it. In a hot pan, we'll add 2 cups of water. Let's place the lobsters carefully. Let the water boil and cover and cook for around 10 minutes. Take the prawns out and reserve the stock for later. Let the prawns cool down a little. Cut open the shells of the prawn carefully. Then slowly take the meat out. Now in another pan add butter and chopped onions. Stir a little till the onions are translucent. Now add sliced mushrooms. Saute for a few minutes and add salt and pepper according to your taste. Most of our viewers are not subscribed. A subscription to our channel will be jumbo for us. Now in another pan, let's add a tablespoon of butter and slowly add 2 tablespoons of refined flour. Mix it well. Add the previously reserved stock slowly and mixing continuously. Boil and let the gravy thicken a little. Now add the pre-cooked mushrooms and chopped prawn meat. Now for extra flavor, I am adding chopped coriander leaves and a little fresh cream. Let the mixture dry a little. Now put the mixture inside the shells of the prawn carefully such that you don't break them. Place them on a baking tray and cover them with cheddar cheese. Now bake it for 10 minutes at 180 degrees or till the cheese melts completely. Oh yes, it seems ready now. Let's take it out. Smells yum. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes. I have added the measurements of the ingredients in the description box below. Do take a look and comment on how you like the recipe. Thanks.